Habitica versus LifeUp, which habit tracker gamifies your goals better. So if you want to turn your daily habits and goals into a fun, motivating game, these two are the most popular apps that gamify productivity. Both helps you track tasks, build routines, and stay accountable, but their style and features differ. So here's a breakdown to help you pick the best productivity companion. Let's start with Habitica. So Habitica transforms your life into a role-playing game. You create an avatar, earn experience points and rewards for completing real-life tasks, and even battle monsters with friends. It's community-driven and highly customizable with quests, challenges, and social features. Let's talk about the pros. So there is a strong RPG element with avatars, pets, and gear, active community, and multiplayer guests. Works well for daily habits, to-dos, and long-term goals, free to use with optional subscriptions. Setbacks: interface can feel cluttered for new users. Gamification might feel overwhelming if you want a simpler tracker, and there is a limited advanced analytic or habit insights. LifeUp also gamifies productivity with a cleaner, simpler approach. It focuses on habit tracking with streaks, rewards, and a straightforward UI. LifeUp is great for users who want motivation without the full RPG experience, combining habit tracking with journaling and mood tracking. Pros: simple, clean, and easy to use. Combine habits, journaling, and mood tracking, visual streaks and reward systems, free with premium options. Cons: less social or multiplayer interaction, limited customization compared to Habitica, and smaller community. So go with Habitica if you love RPGs and want a deeply gamified social habit tracking experience, or go with LifeUp if you prefer a minimalist focused habit tracker with some extra self-care tools.